Hello, my name is Anthony Berenger. In the next few minutes, I will give you a brief overview of the cognitive solutions at AdNovum. What is a cognitive solution? A solution designed to act like a human being and support him or her in their decision making. One of the most important differences to the current IT systems is that such solutions continuously learn from the incoming information in order to perform better in the evaluation of the data, a type of self-tuning, if you will. Whether consciously or unconsciously, we already use such solutions in our everyday life. For example, if you want to make a phone call while driving in your car, you ask Siri to call that person. If we turn on the television, we are shown potentially interesting programs and films based on the programs we have already watched. Why is it such a hot topic today? Actually, the topic has been known for more than 60 years. In fact, the story began on July 13, 1956, at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, as a 6-week conference entitled Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. 60 years later, the situation has changed significantly. The amount of data has grown considerably. Each company has several terabytes of data. Machines have also become much faster. The current leader is Summit, with 122.3 pflops. Algorithms are also continually optimized, and more people are confronted with the technology in their daily lives and are gaining more and more confidence in the use of such systems. If we look at the current situation with our customers, we also see some progress here. Most of them deal with the questions such as customer interaction and conversation. For instance, how can I reach my existing customers or new ones? Therefore, our customers have focused on chatbot and voicebot development. Some dare to enter the world of machine learning as well, in order to, for example, optimize fraud detection. Based on the current customer trends and technological developments, AdNovum, together with its solution partners, has developed the following offering. A deep dive into each of these offers will be recorded in a separate session. Over time, the range will be expanded to meet customer needs as closely as possible. Now, how does such a solution work? Most companies have already collected a large amount of data, whether structured or unstructured. Sometimes external data sources are also used. To ensure that a solution delivers reasonable results, it is checked which data, including data sources, are to be included in the solution. Once this is determined, the data sources are connected and the data is evaluated with a logical component. A model that is trained based on one or more algorithms is used as a logical component. This results in the necessary information that is made available to a user for further processing. Now, how to proceed with such projects. First, a workshop is conducted to identify one or more potential use cases. At the end of the workshop, there should be a clear understanding of which use case will be included in the proof of concept phase and what the minimum viable product should look like after this phase. Once the use case has been determined, the data analysis is started and the following question is asked. Which data can make a positive contribution to the final result? If the data can be determined, the following questions should also be answered. Is this data available? Is the quality of the data good enough? Are the data sources permanently available? If these questions can be answered with yes, it is checked whether integration is necessary or not. Next, the proof of concept phase is started. During the proof of concept phase, the data is collected with which the model is to be trained. Attention is also paid to the agreed upon MVP. If the MVP is achieved, the customer can check it. At the same time, the architecture of the solution is checked during the proof of concept phase if integration is desired. If the customer is satisfied with the MVP, the project or model tuning is started in order to achieve the best possible result. This is followed by the connection of data sources to the model and possible integration into existing tools. As soon as the solution goes live, support and regular optimization of the model begins. AdNovum fully covers all mentioned services, from workshops for use case identification through the proof of concept phase and implementation project through to operation and model optimization.